हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे। सो आज की वर्कशीट रहेगी हमारी इंग्लिश की 74। आज की डेट रहेगी हमारी 27 जनवरी 2022 फॉर क्लास 9th के लिए। यहाँ पे अपना नाम और यहाँ पे अपनी क्लास टीचर का नाम। सो आज का हमारा टॉपिक रहेगा बिहाइव का चैप्टर नंबर 11, इफ़ आई वर यू। तो रीड द टू एक्सट्रैक्ट्स टेकन फ्रॉम द प्ले इफ़ आई वर यू बाय डगॉल्स जेम्स एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चन दैट फॉलो। देखते हैं फिर। इट इज़ अबाउट अ प्लेराइट नेम्ड जिराड हु एक्सेप्ट्स किलर with his cleverness. Gerard encounters an intruder when he is ready to leave for a resale keeping clam. Gerard manages to convince the intruder to not kill him. The intruder was planning to assume Gerard's identity as the police was looking for him. Gerard not only successfully saved his own life but also catches the murder and finds a new plot for his next play too. अब देखते हैं, दो पैसेजेस हैं, उसको पढ़ते हैं। Gerard, your idea is to include the police by killing me and talking on my identity. Intruder, yes, I like the idea. Gerard, but are you sure it's going to help you? Intruder, no, now listen here. I have got this all planned. I did a job to town. In town things went wrong and I killed a cop. Since then I have done nothing but doggage. Gerard, and this is where dogging has brought you. Intruder, it brought me and to Aylesbury. That's where I saw you in the car. Two other people saw you and started to take. I listened. It looks like you are a bit queer, kind of a mystery man. Gerard, a mystery which I propose to explain. And next पैरा में पढ़ते हैं। Intruder, what is this? Gerard, this is your big surprise. I said you wouldn't kill me and I was right. Why do you think I am here today and gone tomorrow? Never see treats people. You say my habits would suit you. You are a crook. Do you think I am a Sunday school teacher? Thus games up as far as I am concerned, the things went wrong with me. I said it with bullets and got away. Unfortunately, they got one of my men and found things the fools should have burnt. Tonight I am expecting trouble. My bag's packed, ready to clear off. There it is. Intruder, it's a bag, all right, and this is a gun, all right. What's are this? Gerard, that's disgust outfit, false mustaches and what? No, no. Do you believe me? फिर क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करते हैं। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, चूज द ऑप्शन दैट लेट्स द सेट ऑफ स्टेटमेंट देयर आर नॉट ट्रू अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन एक्सट्रैक्ट। तो फर्स्ट है द इंट्रूडर वॉज द क्रूक, तो ये सही है हमारा। और इसमें से हमें कौन सा छांटना है जो कि सही नहीं है। द इंट्रूडर इंट्रूडर डिड नॉट वॉन्ट टू किल जिराड, क्या जो इंट्रूडर था वो जिराड को मारना नहीं चाहता था, तो ये गलत है, वो मारना चाहता था। जिराड गेव द इंट्रूडर आ सरप्राइज बाय टेलिंग हिम अबाउट हिज प्लान, तो उसने एक सरप्राइज दिया था उसको। जिराड्स पैक्ड बैग and the gun made the intruder suspect him, so ये भी हमारा गलत है। जिराड and the intruder had a common habit of keeping a gun and discussing their appearance, तो ये भी हमारा गलत है। सो इसमें से सही ऑप्शन होगा हमारा फोर्थ, इसका आंसर है फोर्थ। और सेकेंड है चूज द कैरेक्टर्स दैट इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू अ संडे स्कूल टीचर, हम्बल, डिसऑनेस्ट, ऑनेस्ट, इनकम्पिटेबल, तो इसमें हमारा होगा आंसर सेकेंड। अब हमारे नीचे कुछ 8 क्वेश्चन दिए हुए हैं, उसके आंसर करते हैं। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाट वाज जिराड्स प्रोफेशन, हाउ कैन यू से सो, आंसर करते हैं इसके। ये रहा हमारा आंसर इसका। Girard is playwright by profession. Several parts of the play reflect this. He calls the situation melodramatic, and melodrama is a grain of drama. Another instance, a Girard calling himself a sympathetic audience. और फोर्थ क्वेश्चन है हमारा why had the intruder been running around places? The intruder been running around places because he is a murderer who has been running around places to hide from police and want a safe place to live. So fifth question देखते हैं। हमारा फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन है why did the intruder choose Girard as the man whose identify he wanted to take? The intruder chooses Girard as the man whose identity he wanted to take on because he is of the same build as Girard. He is a murderer. So sixth question है Girard successfully convinced the intruder into believing him. Comment. Girard connected a story about his own criminal background. He gave the intruder the impression that the police were looking from him, and he expected a telephone call from a friend posted as a lookout informing him and the police arrival. तो सेकंड को नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। सेवंथ है राइट अ ब्रीफ अबाउट द कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ द इंट्रूडर एंड जिराड, हाउ आर दे डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ईच अदर? Girard was a active and wise man who always worked by thinking and using the mind. He always considered as intelligent man. The way his accepts from intruder was a clear sign of it. Will the intruder was originally a criminal who came to kill the Girard so that he could take his identity, but the Girard took work with his mind. As the result, intruder was catch by the police. So ये भी हमारा कंप्लीट होता है। अब हमारा 8th क्वेश्चन वर्कशीट का लास्ट क्वेश्चन है 8th वाला। What do you think might have happened if the intruder had succeeded in his plans? The intruder considered himself smartness because to succeed in his plan of talking of Girard's identity, he had already gathered as much information about Girard as he could from local people. If the intruder had succeeded in his plans, then he killed the Girard, and he take his identity and become a honest person and become a wise person and live safely and do crime.